Morning, we're back down this end on the drive this time. We're going to be doing a soakaway. Right, let me spin it around camera. So we're going to be putting a soakaway in here because this is the drive that's going to be getting block paved all the way around. It goes down towards that end up there, and then there's a gully going to go in there into a, it's already got one in, but we're going to swap that out for that, so it'll drop from there to there, I think. And then this runs down here, gully, we'll put a gully there, and it'll take these down pipes because they don't go anywhere at the minute. And then we'll put a soakaway in there, so we'll have a pipe running that way. And then at the bottom at drive, it all runs down to this, and it starts going uphill, so we'll put another gully there, and then we'll pipe that towards this soakaway that we're putting in. Already started some edging, look, put these in, and then put a bit of scrap for bloody grab wagging, because we had a pile of stuff there. He's knocked a few of these out, so we'll have to just, he came this morning when we weren't here, so we weren't watching him, so they don't care when you're not here, they just bloody do whatever they want. But yeah, so it's going to have these cobbles back in, and then we'll be able to block pave up to that. And then this side we're going to have cobbles back in here to that side, and then the soakaway in here. Then I think this is getting pebbled, but I'm not sure. Right, we've got 4 crates that are a metre that way, 500 by about 400 deep. So we're just going to dig a square hole, 1200, probably 1200 deep. Then we can get rid of some of this stuff as well, and that should give us enough. So it'll give us like a cubic metre with 4 crates. So that is what we're going for. Over there, that other one, if you want to have a look at that other video, we put, I think that were 9 crates over there, a really big hole, and you can drive cars on them and stuff. So they're weighted for, I think it says 60 ton. I'm not sure, something like that. Right, we're gonna stop it at this height. Hopefully it's deep enough to get them 2 crates high, because see how it's getting sloppy here. Any further we'll just break water table. I'll just fill it with water. So we don't want to do that. So we've got just over 900 to there, which is probably about the level we're going to be taking it off at. I think them crates are 400 thick, so 800, plus some bits of stones that we've got there, bit of gravel on the bottom to stick crates on. I think this is going to do it. Well, it's going to have to do, because it's pointless digging down. If I dig down, it's going to fill with water, so the whole point in this is to get rid of water, so yeah, so that'll do at that. That's it, crates are here, these are them lot. 400, 500, 1 metre. Then there where you put your pipe in, so they need to go that way into all. So pipe that way, because it's got none on the sides. We had a little bit of water going yesterday with rain, but it's fine. We're gonna then you wrap it in this membrane that lets water in and out. Lets water in and out, and then it just stops the crates from getting filled up with stone and what have you. So I put a bit of stone underneath. You can't really see, it just looks like mud, but it's got a layer of stone on middle, and then I'm hoping that it's deep enough, but we are going to fill it with some stone as well on top, so it should be fine. Right, we need to get this stuff in. Alright, that's alright. Right, that's it lot. So we've gone down up, and then we've gone diagonal and covered it all. Then all this will wrap on top of it. Crates now. Yeah, Yeah.
I thought they were upside down.
So that way. Yeah, that's it. Right, pass it over along. There we go. Got it? Yep. And then these are going to go that way. So we need to put it in corners, yeah? Corner, in corner.
What, they fall down?
Yeah, they just go like that. I think we've got, how many jiggers? Put them in each corner. And then we get these clips. These are clips, look. Should go that way that you've got it now. On them pipes, on them holes. That's one in. Yeah. There we go. That's it. And then those pipes. Yeah. Are you on? No, you're not on at your end. I'll lift mine up a bit. Is it on? Huh? My side's pretty much wood now. Yeah? Right, then clip them up again. Right, they're in, look, and they're just clipped together and it's all one. And then we've got a gap round edge which we'll fill with gravel. But first we need to fold all these round. We haven't got no gravel yet, but we can work out where we're going to go. We just need to mark up where these, that's this channel where we're going in. Same on the other side. That's it, you just wrap it up like a big parcel and then we're going to have to get some stone and bang them in. Oh, we just got rid of that big pile of well, concrete and what have you and just banged it in there, look. Nice big rocks so they won't go through little holes in case of punch it, you know, in case of punching they won't go through, but I normally just put pea gravel in anyway, it's usually alright. Right, that's it for today. Monday morning, hopefully get some gravel here, or we need to start digging these out as well. Right, I'll see you Monday. We're just putting, we've got this black stuff as well because it's got a socket on this one. So its sockets I've got is 45, so we'll just use this. You can get the, really if you're buying it, you just want to buy the rolled stuff, which has already got holes in and stuff, but we're just using up what we've got for this soakaway. And then we're gonna, because we're putting a drain in behind, so we're just gonna leave it at this for now and then. Can you push it a bit, Josh? Just wait up. Push. Come on. Yep, it's going a bit more. That's it. It's in. Whew. Yeah, so I've come down here for this into that, and then that'll be that drain that we're going to put across there. There's soakaway, we've just got that delivered, pea gravel. It looks a bit funny though, it's like yellow pea gravel. First time I've had it that colour before. Yeah, so we're just going to put that under. We'll just squeeze it under, level it out, make sure it's going downhill. And then these just go in here. They're just in there like that, straight in, that one at that end. So I get this pea gravel in now, and then it's ready. So I've just set up this line, I've got a curve going around here and we're using these for the edging blocks. So I'm just laying these edgings down and this is getting stoned and then drive's getting block paved. I just left that bit off when we come through with pipe, join up with something there when we don't drive, and then just curved it round, and then just got a bit to back up. It's just getting a mix on for that, and then we'll just finish them off like this, front and back. And then I've just left it here because the pipe comes there, it's got to go through there, and then I don't know whether this cable's dead or new, or I think we're going to put some new cables through and just get rid of all this old, because there's an old one there, two of these, they're all damaged though, old one there. I think this was the last one to get put on, and then another one there, no idea what that does. I think they've probably been wired up a few times and just run new wires in, so we might be able to just cut that off or rip it out when we don't drive. So that's it, it's been a week. We've bedded these edgings in and well, put that membrane down, and then we just put rest at stones what we had left all the way down there, and we've actually gone all the way down and cleared all that area up at back of there as well, and then stone will just get put on there. And we've got our ends poking out up there, and then one just under that bit there. So yeah, we're ready for the drive. Yeah, so that's it, waiting for Digger to come, and then we can start this drive, which is absolutely massive, to be fair. I think it's 400 square metres, maybe more, a bit more than that I think. I've just ordered, well, we're going to order 400 square metres of blocks, see how far that goes, and then if we need a couple more packs, we'll have to get a couple more packs. So yeah, waiting for Digger, and then I'll see you in the next one when we're digging. I'm going to get rid of all tarmac, and then I'm going to have to work out all levels and stuff, because they're all pretty much, it goes up, down, all over. So yeah, looking forward to that. Right, I'll see you in the next one. If you want to watch the next one, make sure you subscribe and give us a like if you like this video. Okay, see you later.